Collages.
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 For the adventure book and for posters to put around the RV.
With what?
Store.
With what?
With
Max, can I use the scissors though? What scissors?
oh,
These?
with
Yeah.
the guys that we've been
I need to.
at
Okay,
the
but
places
look.
we've gone to
Give me it.
because
Look.
our family is obsessed with it.
Give me that.
So we're like, what should we do with them? So we had like 100.
We do have a lot of pamphlets. All right, Lewis, what have you got so far?
Wow, baby, just this.
Crazy.
Weren't you gonna bring us to the biggest water slide ever?
It's in San Antonio, and it's not open until summer.
Were you gonna bring us? Because I was gonna cut some of this out.
Go ahead.
Are you bringing us?
You cut all these up. So we have this adventure book, and we haven't filled it yet. So I'm going to print off our Instagram
Max,
pictures.
you have to cut out some
And
stuff.
Haley's in charge of the adventure book. She's cutting up things first,
need
and
the
she passes
scissors.
the pamphlets to the boys.
Okay, just be patient.
They're creating something for their rooms.
Guys, here's water slides. I don't remember anything about water slides. Louis, Max said it first. No, Max.
No, you are. Why are you yelling so much?
Looks really good, Wyatt.
I'm gonna cut it out. Bye, guys. Have fun on your adventures.
Thank you.
I thought it was an adventure. Hi.
Mom, if you want to come see the adventure book, come over here.
I want to see it at the end like a giant surprise.
I'm getting ice cream. Ice cream.
Max, come show the camera your.
Ice cream.
Max, come show the camera your poster.
No, Mom. The thing I'm talking about is the St. Louis Cathedral.
Come over here so I can see it.
I got ice cream.
It's upside down.
Mom, look. Mom, look. The St. Louis Cathedral.
Can I take a picture? All right, so the kids finished, and here's Miles's so far, and here is, and here's Lewis's so
Mom,
far.
I finished it. You ready?
Haley's gonna show me hers in a second. Look at how hypnotized they are by SpongeBob. Here's Max's. Here's Wyatt's. All right, and Haleigh worked on our adventure book.
Okay. So here's the first one. We're gonna put some pictures. And then this is Adventures with Grandma. So it's like in a lot of places. And then Denver, Texas. We have the ferry that we rode on, and then just that. Then we went to the Gulf of Mexico, and the incredible pizza, and the spy place. And since we are by the lake, I thought this reminded me of the lake every time I was on Sunset. And then we learned how to go fishing. Okay, so then this is Christmas time, so I just got some Christmas stuff, and that reminds me of the Oasis. And then I got this little quote thing, and then we went to the Children's Museum. And then a map of Houston and Texas and Conroe. And then Oklahoma. Missouri. So we don't have any pictures.
I'll print some Instagram ones up.
And then Georgia. Louisiana. There's map of the French Quarter and Jackson Square. Not business, my property. And then some New Orleans pictures. Well, what I think it would look like.
Explain the My Business, My Property story.
Oh. So we went to Jackson Square, and there was like this huge dance going on in the middle of a street, and so there was a lot of people surrounding us. We're like, what's going on? So we went up to it, and there was this lady smoking a cigarette with a plastic table and fold-up
A
chairs.
fortune teller.
Yeah, a fortune teller. And Wyatt touches her chair like this. And then she goes, my business, my property. And so we can't touch her stuff. So we're like, okay, and then we just leave. But it was this weird lady who just yells at
We
us.
say that all the time now. My
Yeah.
business, my property.
And then there's alligators and jazz. And And then there's the World War II place. We haven't gone there yet, but we will go there. And then I put cemeteries because we saw a bunch of cemeteries.
Can't hear the TV.
I'm doing a video.
I can't hear the TV.
If you yell again, you're going to time out.
Leave the TV.
Well, then let me finish my video quickly.
No.
And then there's beignets and Lake Charles. Wasn't it the lake that we went on top of Lake Charles, like the huge lake?
It was on the way.
I thought we went there.
I'm not sure, but yeah, we did pass it through it.
And then the colorful houses, we saw colorful houses. And then I put ghosts because like they do weird voodoo stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And then I found New Orleans voodoo. And then the French Quarter and a picture of, I think the French Quarter, I don't know what that is.
Okay.
And then Mardi Gras stuff because we're going to be in Mardi Gras. We're going to be there for Mardi Gras.
Is that all?
Yeah.
All right, and there's still more room to grow. That means we need to
Do you
get more.
like it?
That's really good. You did great. Now we need to go get more pamphlets.
This is weird. It's like a weird book. It's untamed.
We need to get more pamphlets now, huh?
Yep.